everybody, it's Addie, aka the Monkey. Today we're going to be installing something for the Bronco that's going to help with organization. So I'll show you how to install it and let's get started.
Welcome back, everybody. I'm Nick, aka Dad, and this is Monkey Business, and this is
Addie, aka the Monkey.
Which you knew just because you've probably seen a lot of our videos. But this week, like Addie said in the intro, we've got a new piece here. I found it through a company we've been doing a few pieces through. It's Mabett. Again, we've done rear liners from them. We did the inside organizational thing for the center console.
Yes.
We did the cup hold, well, actually it's like the door pockets that are molded plastic now and have actually two cup holders in them, two bottle holders, whatever you want to say. But this is a piece I found just kind of looking through what they had. It's actually, let's do the big reveal here.
Plastic wrap. Plastic
wrap, yes. Here, you put down the box.
Cool.
And I will hand you this.
Okay.
Okay, so why don't you unwrap it?
It's stuck.
There you go. And what this is, everybody, is a Molle panel that goes on the passenger side of the center console shifter. It is no drill. That's what I've been looking for something that doesn't require you to drill into the center console also. It does have some kind of foam pieces here to protect this where your handle's going to be. It also has this spacer here that will go into a spot that's already there.
Yes.
And then this kind of hooks around onto the bottom of that center console. So Monkey said she's going to install this one, so we're going to get started here. What you will need for this is you will need a tiny screwdriver.
Yes.
Because we have an access port we need to open up. You will also need
this.
We're using a 1/4 inch, but this is a 7-inch or 7mm socket. And then we also have a Torx 30, which you have in your Bronco kit, but we're just using this because it's easier for Monk to use and quicker too.
Yes.
So let's show you how this kind of gets going here and get Addie moving on it.
Yes.
All right, so the first bolts that you'll want to take out are the ones on the handle. Those are your Torx 30. And then the other spot, here's where the bottom will grab onto this panel here. But right up here, there's a little access port. So Monkey's gonna pop that open with that little flat-headed screwdriver. And then we'll get to taking out those bolts and get this going. There you go. And she's got that popped out.
It takes a little effort at first.
Okay, and then
this one.
You can undo that bolt. There's a single bolt down in there, everybody. So go ahead.
So close. There we go.
Okay.
And he's pretty tiny.
Little bolt, yep. And now she'll take out the two up here using our electric ratchet here. Okay.
My best friend.
Make sure you got it pushed down in there.
There we go. Okay. And then
the other one?
Maybe. He's slippery.
Yep. Pull the handle off.
No, it's not quite off yet.
Oh, okay. Yep, that's done.
Yep, there we go.
Okay, pull off the handle.
Ta-da!
And there, now we've got all of that pulled off, and now we're ready for the panel. Okay, so Addie's got this all kind of put into place. Let me show you here. Okay, so you've got a new bolt and washer, and now you go from a 7mm to an 8mm there. And then back here, you've got two more longer bolts with washers. You go from a Torx 30 down to an Allen key, and that one is a 4mm. So you're going to have to switch some things up just to get this in, but she's already got it kind of placed in here, got everything kind of started here, and we'll finish it up. Okay. And we're just going to get them a little snug, not not to where it breaks anything.
Yes. Let me have me screwdriver.
And then she'll switch over to her 1/4-inch ratchet with the 8mm to tighten it down. There.
Wait, am I going the right way?
You're going the right way, yep. Just remember when the cranking, that's not it tightening, okay? It's that stroke is where it tightens, okay?
Yeah.
Because righty-tighty, lefty-loosey.
Yeah.
Let's all remember that.
Okay, there we go.
Got it in?
It's tight, yeah.
All right. So, there is our new Molle panel from Mabett with no drilling, which I absolutely love. The reason we were looking at this, I mean, you got so many different things for Molle panels now. First aid kits. The reason I was thinking of it is I'm thinking about putting a CB radio in here and having a place to hang it, which I've seen lots of guys using these to do that. So, totally versatile, really nice not to have to drill any holes using existing holes in this, and it is nice and solid. It's a good piece of metal. Well, hopefully what Addie was showing you on how to install that Mabett Molle panel will be easy for you. We'll also put a link down below, and don't forget to subscribe.
Yes.
And if you like the video, don't forget to hit that like button. We love to know what people are looking to watch, you know, and if you have any comments, please put those in the bottom. But we're looking forward to it. It's a simple install. I mean, it took,
really is.
what, it'd take you like less than 5 minutes?
Yeah, probably.
And obviously, if an 11-year-old can do it, you can do it.
Yeah.
And it's fun just to wrench on these Broncos yourself. They give you plenty of access points and accessory points on these Broncos. We've got more to come. We have a lot of parts in our garage right now. Mom's probably getting a little tired of the boxes we have in there. We do have some cool stuff coming up, okay?
Yes.
So you can see Monkey's hat. We now have hats available.
Yes.
If you'd like a hat, put it down in the comments. The hats will be $15 a piece. We have this one, which is a limited production one, which is kind of a green and a tan or an olive drab looking color.
Yeah.
We also have gray with black. Same logo. So if you're looking for some monkey business swag, we've got it available. We'll have shirts coming soon. Yes. But we will put the link for the Mabett Molle panel down below. Yes. Take you right there and be quick and easy to find one and buy one. They're pretty inexpensive. But more stuff to come. Pretty exciting news too. We've got a piece that no one else has yet. Isn't even out yet, but we talked to the company and we are going to do some test fitment. So we'll bring you more on that, but looking forward to showing you guys some more things and what's available out there for your Broncos. So hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like button. Have a blessed day.
Bye.